All we were told is that there was going to be some sort of a mystery activity and that even the location was TBD. But I'll give you a hint. You've already seen where we're going. You've already seen where we're going. Because unbeknownst to me while I was filming all of the gorgeous kitchen vignettes earlier in the day, one of these kitchens was not like the others. Yep, that's right. Inside one of the fridges at Electrolux HQ is an entire secret room. I don't know whose idea it was to add a secret room, but whoever it was, they're my kind of people. Chef Adam was there to greet us in a room that resembled a modern speakeasy with several large wine fridges and lounge-style seating on one side, and a long dining table on the other where he had hors d'oeuvres waiting for us. It was very cool.
A little charred rare beef tenderloin and our sourdough bread, little horseradish, arugula, and Asiago cheese. The little square cookie is a espresso.
While we ate, Pam led us in a consumer research activity where Lori and I were able to give her input based on what we felt were our followers' biggest laundry concerns, which I loved because this is exactly how I want to be using my platform, to raise the voices of my followers so that they can be heard by the manufacturers.